Joshua 1 verse 9. Oh, no. Let me not assume. Let me not assume. Joshua 9 verse 9, 1 verse 9, sorry. Let me not assume, but let me... Kondia, where's Joshua again? Oh. Joshua 1 verse 9 says the following. Have not I commanded thee? Be strong and of good courage. Be not afraid, neither be thou dismayed, for the Lord thy God is with thee, whatsoever thou goest. The Lord thy God is with thee, wheresoever thou goest. Huh? So Joshua 9 verse 9, 1 verse 9, 1 verse 9 makes it so clear. The Lord is with you wherever you go.